मोबर कावलेसी फिशरीज कंपन्यांनी बेकायदेशीर धंदो चलयला म्हणून लोकांचो बोवाळ। CRZ मोडून पर्यावरणाक घातक आणि भलायकी खात्याची परवानगी नासतना खंय धंदो चल्ला। अजाप म्हणल्यार ह्या जाग्याच्या मालकाक खंय कांयच खबर नासतना सगळें चल्ला। हो धंदो बंद करून ॲक्शन घेवची म्हणून लोक मागतात।
Garbage and all sewages are enjoyed by the people of Kavlasim, and here there is a big pit he has dug, and he started taking away the sands. We don't know where the sand is going on. We have only seen some sand is used there to create an embankment in the River Sal. Illegal creation of embankment, encroachment in River Sal that is going on, and some mud is used. What I want to say that this total building is illegal. The front portion is also illegal because that was done in 2014.
This one also.
And here in 2014 they have done toilet, and now they have done this building.
It's a request, demand.
Huh? Our demand is to demolish all these illegal structures. Nothing less than that. All this illegal structure has to be demolished. Such a massive illegal activities are going on, and that too not even without consent of the owners. This is height. What is going on in Kavlasim village, this is a height. Owner just consent nastana forget about authorities consent. Without owners consent, this total illegalities is going on, and Panchayat never acted. In fact, all these structures you can see, there will be house numbers given by Panchayat.
So the villagers will suffer. That's why Kavlasim Villagers Forum today is dying for what? It is for the betterment of the village. We are in support of the owners. Why? Because the owners also, poor fellows, are feeling that they are also helpless. And these government authorities are in league with these people. It is a clear cut notice. We don't have to tell.
Panchayat with the electricity board because they are tapping illegal electricity from here, with the pollution control board, with the CRZ, with the BDO. Okay. We have lodged complaints with the fisheries department, captain of ports, but nothing is happening, okay, which only indicates the level of corruption that is going on.
So no inspections have been done?
A lot of inspections, okay, inspections have been done, but there is no outcome of it.
No action.
No action is being taken, nothing.
So what is your demand with the authorities? What they should do? They should stop this?
See, if there is illegality going on, first of all, as the owner, there is no permission that has been given. Next to that, none of the authorities have given permission. And blatantly like this, somebody can come here and start this kind of operation.
सामान्य लोकांक गरजेचे कायदेशीर डॉक्युमेंट बशिल्ल्या जाग्यार घरा मेळचे म्हूण lawmade.in वावुरप्यांनी लीगल कॅप्सूल वेबसायट सुरू केल्या। ते वरवीं लोकांक एग्रीमेंट फॉर्म, एफिडेविट फॉर्म, स्टॅम्प पेपर असल्या डॉक्युमेंटाची होम डिलिव्हरी मेळटली। सध्या गोंयापुरती, फुडें ही सर्व्हिस देश पावण्यार सुरू करपाचो lawmade.in प्लान। देशांतली खंय ही अशे तरेची पयलीच वेबसायट।
So now what we have done is just 1 month back आम्ही एक नवो कन्सेप्ट लॉन्च केला। ताचे नाव आसा द लीगल कॅप्सूल, which is a new brand altogether. And this is India's first legal documentation platform, online platform. तातूंत कितें कशें आमी केलां की दर सामान्य मनशाक एक अग्रीमेंट ऑर एफिडेविटाची गरज आसता। सो आतां आमी जे डिजिटल रेवल्युशन आसा वा स्टार्टअप इंडिया प्रोग्राम आसा ताजे भितर आमी लीगल इंडस्ट्रीन खूब डिजिटल ट्रान्सफॉर्म करपाक ट्राय करता। अंडर दॅट वॉट वी हॅव डन इज फॉर द वन्स हू वॉन्ट एन अग्रीमेंट ऑर एन एफिडेविट आमी सगळ्यो टेम्पलेट्स ज्यो अग्रीमेंट लागता ऑर एफिडेविट्स आसता ताज्यो आमी ऑनलायन वेबसायटीर आमचे घातल्या। So anyone who wants an agreement can go on our website. Right hand side ताजे एकदा खंयचो तांणी चूज केलो की तांकां टेम्पलेट थंय लायव्ह दिश्टी पडटली, आनी लेफ्ट हँड सायडार तांणी सिंपल एक क्वेश्चनर आमी क्रिएट केल्लो आसा। तातूंत नेम, एड्रेस और जे पार्टी डिटेल्स लागता, पॅन कार्ड नंबर बी सगळे ते घालून विदिन मिनिट्स दे कॅन डावनलोड द टेम्पलेट। सो खूब जाणांक अशें एक क्वेरी आसता की खरेंच हो टेम्पलेट सारकी आसा काय ना। सो बिकॉज लीगल इज नॉट समथींग इजी। सो ताज्या खातीर आमी एक एक्सपर्ट रिव्यू म्हणून ऑप्शन दवरला। सो तातूंत आमी 350 रुपयान जो पळय कोणाकूय आतां एक एक्स्ट्रा क्लॉज कितें एड करपाक जाय ऑर कोणा एडवोकेटा कडल्यान समजून घेवपाक जाय तो ड्राफ्ट, तें आमी ऑप्शन विदीन 24 hours प्रोवायड करपाचें ऑप्शन दवरला। अनेक ऑप्शन म्हणजे स्टॅम्प पेपराचे प्रिंटींग. खूप जाणांक स्टॅम्प पेपर सोदपाकूच मडगांव और खंयच्याय पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया हॅज टू रन हियर एंड देयर. सो ताज्या खातीर आमी एक ऑप्शन दवरला की खंयच्याय लायक इट इज बेसिकली अ प्लॅटफॉर्म अक्रॉस इंडिया. So anyone can go on our website, use the template, and if they want a stamp paper print from our side, तांच्यानी फक्त तितलो denomination stamp paper आसा तो पे करून we will buy the stamp paper and home deliver it to them by printing that particular document on the stamp paper and delivering.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.